Say Bella.
Bella.
Say Bella. Say Bella.
Bella.
Say Bella. Say Bella.
Bella.
Good girl.
Good girl. Can you say Rich?
Yeah.
No, you don't want to say that one. How about Bella?
Okay, that's good enough for now.
Say Bella. Can you call Bella? Say Bella.
No.
No, no. How about say Dominic? That's too hard, huh? Say Bella.
Bella.
Say Bella. Oh,
Hi.
ow. Okay.
Hi.
Done. All
No
right.
more.
Say bye-bye.